Today I'm going to show you a very easy and potentially game-changing recipe for your health. It's the Peat raw carrot salad that can help with estrogen metabolism and detoxification. This salad has really helped with my PMS and migraines, and I can't wait to show you how easy and budget-friendly it is to make. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie, and this is my channel where I share real food recipes to help you feel your best. I have a master's degree in public health with a specialty in nutrition. I'm also a survivor of chronic health issues, including autoimmune disease and PCOS. So if you want to follow along and get more clean eating videos and tips, please subscribe so you don't miss a video. So I first came across this Peat carrot salad on social media when I was researching information about a pro-metabolic diet. The pro-metabolic approach really is less of a diet about weight loss, and it's more about health and supporting your metabolism. So let me know if you're interested in learning more about that, and I can do a whole separate video about the pro-metabolic diet. So getting back to the salad, the idea is that you eat 1 to 2 raw carrots a day, and that can help with estrogen metabolism and detoxification, and even help balance your estrogen and progesterone so you don't become estrogen dominant. The idea is that the special fibers in the raw carrots help bind any excess estrogen and helps get them out of your system. And in addition to binding estrogen, the fibers in the raw carrots can also bind other toxins as well. So the story goes that Dr. Peat, who was an American biologist, invented this salad to help address his own personal migraines. And that's why he's given credit. And the salad at this point is almost used as like a supplement or a holistic health remedy to address a wide variety of symptoms. So I tried to look up and find any special scientific evidence for this salad. I didn't really find one much. So at this point, it's really about anecdotal stories from women who are finding that eating the 1 to 2 carrots a day or this raw carrot salad and sharing those stories about how it improves their symptoms of PCOS, PMS, improves their digestion, and helps with hormonal migraines. The ingredients are very simple and inexpensive, so it's probably worth trying it and monitoring your symptoms to see if they improve after you add this salad into your diet. So it really only takes a few minutes to make the salad. I'm going to show you how easy it is, and you can use either a food processor, you can use a vegetable peeler, or a cheese grater to grate up the salad. So my preferred method for making this carrot salad, just because it's so much faster than grating or shredding, is to use a food processor. And I like to use the shredding disc that comes with the food processor. I set mine on fine shredding, and you just put in this little base here and then put in the shredding disc. And then we're gonna lock on the lid. And I've prepared the carrots just by scrubbing them really well. I have 2 bunches of organic carrots. Now I did not peel them. I just scrubbed them really well under fresh running water, made sure that all the dirt was off, and then I cut off the ends, and then I just cut them into big enough chunks or small enough chunks that can fit into my food processor. And I also wanted to mention that it's not ideal to use baby carrots for this recipe. It's best to use fresh organic carrots if you can find them. So I'm going to show you how I make this salad, and then I'll answer some frequently asked questions about when to eat this salad, how long it lasts in the refrigerator, and stuff like that. So this is so easy. It just takes a few minutes. I'm going to stack the carrots in the little feeding tube here, and I'll put my exact recipe. I'll put the link to the blog post that I have in the description box below so you can find it there. And I'm actually making a double batch of this recipe because I find that I like to have it every day, and that is what helps me manage my symptoms the most. So watch how fast it is to shred. So now that we have our shredded carrots, I'm just going to put them in a big bowl, and then we'll add the other ingredients and stir it up, and it'll be ready to go. And also I wanted to mention that you don't want to use cooked carrots for this recipe either. The idea is that you use raw carrots. Now, there are some communities on Facebook and Instagram that talk about this raw carrot salad. Usually they're in relation to the pro-metabolic approach. And some people have asked, what if you don't like carrots? And there has been some information that you could also, for this same effect of binding estrogen, you can consume very well cooked mushrooms or bamboo shoots. Apparently those are two other foods in addition to raw carrots that have those indigestible fibers that can help to bind excess estrogen. And I also wanted to mention that if you want to balance the flavor of the carrots, you could also add in a half to one whole apple into your shredded mixture here. You could just shred the apple along with the carrot if you want to maybe make the salad a little bit of a different flavor, maybe not so carroty. I would use like a sweet red apple, like a Fuji or a Honeycrisp. But today I'm making a straight, just 100% raw carrot salad with our additional ingredients, which makes it the official Peat raw carrot salad. So I just have 4 other ingredients that we're going to add to the carrots. I have about 2 teaspoons of melted coconut oil, and we're kind of making just a little dressing here, and it makes the salad more appetizing. And then of course the adding a healthy fat like coconut oil makes any nutrients in the carrots easier to absorb. But I think really it just makes it more of an appetizing salad. I usually serve it with dinner, but you could have it really at any time of day, including as a snack. The other ingredient is about, let's see, I have about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and I'm gonna just put that right in. And you could also use coconut vinegar or a white wine vinegar, but the exact recipe that Dr. Peat shared was using apple cider vinegar and using a type that comes with the mother, so it is like a living probiotic food. And then I have about 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. And again, this is just all for flavor, making it more nutritious, tastier. And my last ingredient is to add some raw honey. And I just kind of eyeball it. You can use anywhere from, I would say, 1/2 teaspoon to more than that, a full teaspoon, maybe more. And if you're on a no sugar diet or no added sugar diet, just feel free to leave out the honey. It again just makes it more appetizing. And believe it or not, that is how you make the raw carrot salad that can potentially help with estrogen metabolism and maybe help relieve some PMS symptoms. For me, it's actually really helped with hormonal migraines. So I swear by this salad, and I consume it at least 1 time a day. Now there's some questions that come up about the salad. For instance, some people wonder how much to eat. And I have probably about 1/3 of a cup per day, maybe a little bit more, maybe a 1/2 cup. But again, you're just trying to get the equivalent of about 1 to 2 medium-sized whole carrots. So you don't need to go overboard and have a ton of it. And you don't want to have too little, but you might want to start small and work your way up, because a lot of people also find that potentially the salad could cause some digestive distress, maybe because of all the raw fiber. So start small, maybe even start with 1 to 2 tablespoons a day and work your way up. And you may even find that eating this salad regularly helps you become more regular. And another question might be, how long does it last? And I would say anywhere from 5 to 7 days. Keep it in a covered container in the refrigerator, and then just take out as much as you want to have when you're ready to eat it. And it does not freeze well. Raw carrots, in this case, I would not freeze this salad, but it does stay just fine in the refrigerator for up to a week. So I would love to know if you've ever tried eating raw carrots or trying this type of raw carrot salad and how it worked for you. And again, please check the description box for the link to my full recipe. And you'll also find a link to my Clean Eating Quick Start Guide. I would love to have you join my email list, and I'll send that right to you. I'll put both of those links in the description box below. If you're looking for more recipes and information related to hormones, I will link to my PCOS recipes and information playlist, and you can check that out next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.